Hey folks, Adam here, and I cannot wait to tell you all about this. It is a very hygienic and clean cat litter box that's going to change the way he does business. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. So what's so great about this? First and foremost, it collects the litter for you, which is perfect for me and my everyday life. We're gonna have this right hanging out on the back of the kitchen, and it's gonna keep us from having to clean it all the time. Now, Honey, our little cat that you just saw, had no problem adapting to this. He just jumps inside, does his business, and come out. Now, it's easy to train if you got a shy cat. Put a couple treats right in here. They're gonna jump in, they'll see the litter, they'll know what to do. It's really intuitive for them. In terms of adding litter, a very smart design that you can just add litter right here. Press the reset button, you're good to go without a word to say. And something else I like, as much as Biscuit likes to get in the kitty litter boxes, he doesn't seem to be able to get in here. He'll sniff it and then he'll walk away, which is very convenient for all of us that he's not getting into the litter box. We all have dogs that are not always trustworthy with the litter. So, what is so great about this? First off, it's by a great company that stands behind their products, and I absolutely love this company. Second, it keeps the work out of it for you. You're not having to worry about changing the litter every time, and it puts that litter right down here, compacted and ready to go, to where you just take it out. So all you have to do is add litter in, and then when the time comes, you can go ahead and pull the litter already bagged out, not messing with anything else there. So a smart design from top to bottom and stem to stern. So what else do I like about it? I love the fact that it's a great brand and it was easy to set up. Let me go ahead and show you that quick start guide. All right, folks, and regarding installation, you'll be happy to see that once you take it out of the box, pretty much sits just like that. And you have a straightforward quick start guide. Got the top cover, the bonnet, the litter bed, the deodorizer, the snow litter mat, the indicator lights, clean button, empty button, and the reset button. The waste collection bin right here. The base and the globe, very easy. So your waste collection, you're gonna open this up, pull it out. Tells you to make sure to put it on a flat surface, straightforward. Go ahead and plug it in, connect the app, and then fill the litter. And it says, open the top cover, fill the globe with litter. Do not exceed the maximum level of 5.7 pounds. And then press reset and let it do its magic. So very straightforward how to replace the liner and everything in between. And then a guide if your cat doesn't know how to use it, how to give them the proper instructions. But yeah, very straightforward and very easy to set up. All right, folks, so I know it seems too good to be true and too simple, but this does all the work for you. You can see here's your waste bin, bags that easily trap it. The app is smart. Hopefully we can show you some app footage on screen, but the app goes ahead and is able to track how long your cats were in it, how often they used it this week, data and information, etc. Very easy there. The deodorizer really does work. I like that. And this little grip here keeps the litter off the ground, which matters as well too. So folks, again, the brand, PetSnowy, easy to set up, probably about as easy as connecting Bluetooth to a new set of headphones. Plug it in. It comes pre-assembled, nothing to do other than take it out of the box. And yeah, this is just a big lesson in convenience. And if you want to be convenienced and not want to be burdened with unnecessary cat litter tasks and chores, this is the product for you. All right, folks, and don't forget that this has a deodorizer system and a nice place for your cat to clean its paws and not bring that litter back out to the house. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. If you are thinking of picking up something like this, this is the exact best product for you. It's very convenient, very easy to use. A lot of them, the bags are not convenient to pull out. They're not easy to fill. This one, you just pour the litter right in the top. It's easy peasy lemon squeezy, and yeah, it comes assembled. There's no confusion that can happen. If you're not good with electronics, you're not good with apps, you're not good with that sort of thing, you don't have to worry about it because this one is good at it for you. Get something that's designed right, Get something that is an absolute delight, and PetSnowy has you covered. All right, go check it out. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and go get one. Goodbye, my friends.